right, ladies and gentlemen, Christopher Greene, hard hitting it in your face. AMTV, another beautiful day out here in Arizona. And appreciate your prayers too. My brother's got a doctor's appointment today, and we're just needing well wishes and prayers. And so I really appreciate that. Also like and share this video. So we've got kind of some big stories. So Jerome Powell, I looked into that in more detail, and they're not even saying that they're going to raise rates. He says, I'm paraphrasing a bit, that they just have intention that he's going to raise rates in March, which doesn't mean anything. He's basically just signaling that they're thinking about it. So, you know, the opportunity is now. In fact, I'm looking at some more space actually today for our next big block show conference here in Scottsdale. It's an excellent place for us to have that gathering. So the point is, you want to biddle in the bears, okay? And we're in a secular bull market, so let me make that clear, but we're in a correction phase right now. Family and friends are asking me, Christopher, what do you do? Buy here, okay? Many of my family and friends, everyone at school, you should click that link below, was buying, not financial advice, at $3,500 not too long ago. And my personal opinion, and this is what I'm doing with my own money, is you buy now. So we have Bitcoin at about 36K. We've seen alts in correction mode, I believe presenting an amazing opportunity. Let's talk about jobs. I'm noticing as I'm running around town, you know, having lived in Hawaii over the last couple of years back and forth from here in Arizona, and coming back, that there's "we need help" hiring signs everywhere, especially in retail and restaurants. Why is that the case? Well, a couple major trends. First of all, we've got remote work, people working from home. People don't want those jobs because they're low paying and everything that we've seen over the last couple of years. Secondly, and I think this is the major important point, we also got news from Elon Musk, who says his primary work this year will be building a humanoid robot. Now, of course, I can't go into all the details, but we know that human beings are not very high on the list here moving forward. Many of these jobs will be replaced by robots, serving you at the bar, getting your cup of coffee, your waiter, your waitress, the jobs that are typically low paying. That, notice this isn't an accident. All of this has been organized by design this way for a reason. Everything that's happened over the last couple of years, organized by design. Now we have a labor shortage. Why is that? They're going to replace human beings with robots. This is why Elon Musk, and he said this for quite a long time, this is why Elon Musk is focusing on building the first humanoid robot. But in addition to that, he has said things that he's mostly worried about population growth, and says that we are on the decline. Now, why is that? Because there's going to be more robots than there actually are human beings. Also, we got a major update from Google today. They're hiring dozens of blockchain experts as part of their cloud services. I think they're number 2 or 3, along with Microsoft. AWS Amazon services is number 1, for those of you that don't know. And basically, they're going on a hiring spree, along with Walmart, who just recently filed a bunch of patents, along with various other companies that are filing patents within the metaverse. Of course, we saw Facebook change its name to Meta. Mark Zuckerberg is now spending billions of dollars. Also, notably, Musk was just in Maui, my neck of the woods, visiting, I can only assume, Jeff Bezos. Also, you can track all this. There was an article today. You can track their plane flights. It's all public information. And there was an interesting article I read earlier today that basically coordinates the air traffic control based on public data that tells you where these planes may or may not go. So the point is, and this is one of the reasons for Island Project, I've been there the last 2 years, because not only are they turning it into billionaires' paradise, but this is where a lot of the action is going to be moving forward, which is why investments, critical investments in that infrastructure, is so important. It's exactly what the billionaires are doing, buying all the farmland, buying all the natural resources for themselves, buying all of the high-priced real estate, buying all the ocean front. Isn't that funny? You know, they tell us about the weather, but then they buy right on the beach, each and every one of them, just like Obama's place in Martha's Vineyard. So they do the exact opposite of what they say is the exact opposite of what they actually do. But the point of this video is that just like I came out several days ago, I truly believe that this is the bottom. It's not financial advice. I'm buying here. My friends and family are buying here. My students are buying here. All the major corporations institutions that I know back on Wall Street, because I used to be a banker, are buying at these levels. It's retail that is listening to the noise in the corporate media, okay, that's being fearmongered, this message that is parroting basically information that, in my opinion, isn't true. So, I mean, it's pretty darn obvious. Like, blockchain is going to be the number one investment class going on over the next 10 years, bigger than the internet. Also, in closing, what are they doing with human beings? Well, basically, we're being replaced by robots. Why else would Elon Musk focus all of his attention on a humanoid robot? Why would Jeff Bezos be focusing his attention on robots that they place in your homes? And this started with the Echo, the Amazon Echo, started with the Google Home devices, all these things, of course, was initially just data mining. And this ties into everything, all the things that we can't even talk, we can't talk about here. This ties into everything. And now they're going to replace humans in all of these mundane jobs like manufacturing and Luddite fashion. And we're going to see a complete transformation of the world around us as we know it. Also, on the positive side, we're seeing much of the world open up. So that is a huge net positive, and I expect that to continue. Notice life is now going on, and things are pushing forward. And we've got some major announcements from countries like Sweden today. You probably caught that in the news. So I'm very positive, very bullish. Again, things aren't perfect, but all you have in this life, ladies and gentlemen, is your positive intention, your attitude, your work ethic, your ability to innovate and do all those positive things that, with the positive mindset and intention, will get you the desired results that you want in life. Again, prayers for my brother today, Cody. I really appreciate that. We love you guys. And I'll keep you posted too, because we're going to be doing shows worldwide. I'm going to be traveling around the world this year. And one of our locations, I'd like to hear where you'd like to see me go to and where we should put on our block show Bitcoin Rich conferences. One of here I think is going to be in Arizona. And now's the time. So get in, click the link below. I want to see you guys at school. You should be learning these fundamentals. Many of you told me, Christopher, I'm on the fence, but I'm joining today, bro. So I want to see you at school today. You interact with me on a one-on-one level. You can ask me, myself, my team, all the questions that you need to be successful in this space to potentially create those 1000x cash flows. You learn about all the 1000x next opportunities that I believe are in the marketplace today. You get up close and personal access with me and my team and a host of other benefits, as we're also going to be taking this into the real world, which I love to do because I love and thoroughly enjoy speaking on stages, interacting with you guys, helping you grow your businesses, helping you pivot and innovate in very difficult times. Because again, this is about empowering you guys with the tools that you need for your amazing success and to bring that out in all of you guys, starting here by thinking and growing bitcoinrich.com and then placing that and putting it into 1000x action. Anyways, guys, God bless you. I'm Christopher Greene. Jesus Christ is our King. And leave a comment question in the box below.